What if I told you that millions of years ago, giant creatures walked our earth? Not humans, not elephants, but something far, far older and bigger. This is the story of how they began.
Dinosaur tracks in the UK for over 25 years.
So these footprints we're talking
Way back around 250 million years ago, our planet looked very different. It was hot, a bit dry, and all the land was squashed together into one giant supercontinent called Pangea. Pangea was full of strange creatures that came before the dinosaurs, but a new kind of animal was about to step onto the scene. Back then, the bosses were fierce, crocodile-like reptiles called Phytosaurs. They were long, strong, and waited patiently for their prey. Life was tough, and you had to be smart to survive. But then something new appeared. Eoraptors, known as the ancestor of all living dinosaurs we know today. Not big and bulky like the Phytosaurus, but light and speedy. Then comes the Silophysis. These guys were the very first dinosaurs. They stood on two legs. That was a superpower back then. They were fast, agile, and they chased down smaller snakes. These guys could outrun almost anything. And it wasn't just tiny hunters. Soon, the very first big plant eaters showed up, like the Plateosaurus. These guys were very peaceful, giants munching on ferns and leaves. They might look a bit clunky, but they were growing bigger than anything before them. These early dinosaurs weren't just lucky, they were built for success. Their legs helped them run, hunt, and escape. Their amazing bodies helped them breathe better than other animals. Slowly but surely, they were taking over, but the Phytosaurus was still around. But the dinosaurs were learning, adapting, and getting ready for something huge. The Triassic period was tough, but the dinosaurs proved that they were here to stay. They were small, they were clever, and they were ready to change the world. What would they become next? Get ready, because this journey was only just the beginning. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel with others. See you next time in episode 2. Bye bye.